Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right mockup and preparing your artwork. This accelerates the whole process. Once signed in, choose a category that matches your product because matching perspective and scale matters. Make sure your art is high resolution and cropped to the correct aspect ratio. Use PNG for transparent elements. Then upload and place the file roughly where it should sit so you can quickly align it. This first setup reduces rework, and it gives you immediate visual feedback to refine composition. Once your artwork is on the mockup, focus on alignment and realism. You should scale and rotate to match garment folds or device angles. Small shifts change perceived quality, so zoom to 100% to check edges. Then tweak colors and backgrounds to match brand tone, because correct contrast makes the product pop. If available, use smart features like perspective warp, drop shadow, and reflections to sell depth. Make incremental changes and preview frequently, so you avoid overshooting adjustments. Finish by exporting at the resolution and format your channel requires. Pick PNG for transparent compositions and JPG for efficient web use. Once exported, inspect the mockup at intended display size to ensure clarity and correct color. If you need variants, export multiple backgrounds or colorways now so you can /B test. If you encounter artifacts or misalignment, upload a cleaner, higher-res file and reduce heavy filters. This fixes most issues quickly and keeps your mockups professional looking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.